welcome to Angel's Restaurant. Table 4.
A table for one.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes.
May I know your name, ma'am?
Jollibee Katadman.
Excuse me, ma'am. I just checked your reservation. Okay. This way, Miss Katadman. Okay. May I, ma'am? Okay. May I, ma'am? Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Our waiter will be with you in a short while. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. I am Joanne. I will be your waiter for this day. May I present to you our menu? Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. I'll be back to take the order after 5 minutes. Okay.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, ma'am. If you are ready, may I know take your order?
Yes. My order are sweet potato, pork adobo with rice, and banana milk.
Would you like to try our best sellers? Our seasoning seafood that is consists of crab, oyster, and shrimp.
No thanks.
That will be all, ma'am.
Yes.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? May I repeat your order, ma'am? Sweet potato, pork adobo with rice, and banana milk. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, your food will be delivered after 15 minutes. Do you need anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your order. Pork adobo with rice. Sweet potato. And banana milk.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present your bill?
PP.
I received 500 pesos. I'll be back for your change.
Okay.